Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share, and play.
Hello. I'm here today to do another Your Creative Studio unboxing. I love these kits. So she does subscription boxes, and there is so much in them, so I am racing through it this time. Papers, where you get a piece of rice paper, a lovely textured piece of paper and a sticker sheet. And then this little one had some little pieces of ephemera, some stickers, a lovely little selection actually. Then we had a whole pack of gorgeous blue flower stickers. This little one had little diary ephemera as well as some lovely little washi stickers. This had loads of different designs and they're little mushroom papers, but they've got different cut edges as well, which is really lovely. Here are some rub-ons. They're always fun to use, and you've even got the little tool in there. Gorgeous rice paper. It's like a tissue paper. They're little see-through stickers, a whole sheet of them. This was tied up with a lovely piece of string, and it's all wine theme, that one. So lovely labels. Beautiful little booklet of invoices and things, and even some stamps, some proper rubber stamps. They're just lovely. And even some washi tape. So honestly, everything that you could need, you wouldn't actually need anything else. You could use the washi tape. You wouldn't even need glue. Now, I thought we'd have a go at looking at what we can make with these. So the little envelopes, I really love those, and I thought I'd use those as pockets, and then I'm just throwing some coffee over. So this was the little pack that had some little calendar pieces as well as the little washi stickers. All I'm doing is I'm just taking the white off. I'm just throwing coffee over it, making a big mess. I ended up really overdoing it, but it's okay. It's just a little page in my little old lady detective book that I did. I've got a little flip through of that up. Had these lovely labours. Well, I guess I'm doing some labour, but I meant labels. So I decided I'd actually just chop the top of the envelope off. Now that's the one that the washi tape came in. So I'm just doing a little thumb hole, and that's what I'm going to use as a pocket straight into my book. It's in my colours. I love it. It's really vintagey, and that's what I like. You can get different themes as subscriptions from your creative studio, and then she'll just send you out a lovely curated pack each month, and they always match, and oftentimes there'll be an underlying theme. So it might be birds one time, another time it might be papers, another time it might be cooking. It's really lovely, and it's always a nice surprise, and there is always stuff in it that I just adore. I use these kits all the time, and I use the stuff in them all the time. So thank you, Amanda. It was lovely to be able to do a little unboxing. So all I'm doing is I'm popping this little envelope down. Now, of course, I could have made it double pockets, but I just decided I'd make it a single pocket, and it just fits beautifully into this little book that I have. And then those two pieces that I grunged up, which were just another couple of papers. I cannot speak again today. Take a breath. Then the little papers that were in the kit, I thought they were really cute just to slip inside that pocket. Now the background papers there are actually from Which Craft Do You Do? So I love her tissue paper. I use it in quite a lot. And yeah, Rennie actually designed that, which is pretty clever. Anywho, I loved these tissue papers. They were perfect colourings for this book. So I just used them to do a little bit of collaging on the background of this double page spread. So when you're sticking that down, use a glue stick because they're very easily torn. And you'll see in a minute I do actually tear some tissue paper accidentally. But that just helps, to me anyway, it just helps anchor it. So I used a little sticker from the kit. Now this is something you didn't see in the speed up. There was this lovely piece of dried flower or grass in there. So I stuck the washi August across it because I can just imagine someone pressing that flower in olden times, and it might be something that she's picked up from the scene of the crime somewhere. I thought that was pretty cute. And then there was this little world map. I think it was a sticker, but I just actually glued it down because I couldn't separate it. So here you'll see, because I used my bone folder, I tore the tissue. So yeah, don't do that. Just use your fingers. Actually, I noticed Kylie over at Kylie's Card Craft, she just uses a soft cloth to help rub tissue paper down, which is such a good idea. It's a wonderful idea because then it would actually glide over it better. Then there were these little tickets in there, and I thought they went beautifully with the map, like a little travel theme. So it's like a little evidence page, you see. There's the tickets, and the little map could indicate, you know, where this particular dried grass came from. See, I'm sort of just making it up as I go along, using the washi tape that was in there, of course. So then that just stuck down. Again, that was another little piece of paper that was in one of those little packs. Isn't it wonderful? So a little piece that you could slip in a pocket that can, you know, go in and out easily. But here it looks like notes that she's kept beside that little dried flower piece. So there you are, quite simple. I just thought I'd show you how quick and easy it is to do up a couple of pages when you've got some beautiful materials like this. You know, I know that we make a lot of these, but sometimes it's just lovely to have something that you can just grab out and do nice and quickly, and then you've had your creative fix, and there's such beautiful, beautiful pieces to play with. So thank you again, Amanda. Go and check her out at Your Creative Studio. I'll make sure that I put a link to her site below. And in the meantime, enjoy. I'd love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy.